Damn, I can't. My beautiful wife, I can't even goddamn make her do no video. I just had to cut this piece of goddamn rubber off the tire down here. You know what I'm saying? So the tire fucked. So now I gotta go buy some tires. So I knew the tires gonna be out of there, but not like that. Damn. Baby, no drifting for you? No drifting for me. Damn, dog. Tires gone. All right, so my other student, I gotta get some tires for my baby. I just finished doing a little movie for my daughter real quick. And I guess that the ground was too rough. Y'all understand? Some of these roads, the gravel is too fucking rough. So yeah, so you got this one, student number 1. She got her shit going on. She got it done, but the other student can't get it done. So damn. All right, let me get some more tires and then she go. Y'all stay tuned for that. But that ain't happening today. Well, maybe not. I don't know. We're gonna see. But y'all like and subscribe. I fuck with y'all. Y'all fuck with me. Your boy AP. Tuned by AP. Left Turn Media. I'm out. Mi gente. Y'all know what it is. Yo, so I figured it out. Boom. I got enough tire that I can show her. Get in the driver's seat. What you doing? I got enough tire that I can show her how to whip the whip real quick. So we're gonna use this spot right here. We got glass over here, but we got enough time to show my other student real quick what it is, how to do it. Okay, like I told her, right? Let me turn the AC off. All right, let me make sure no car gonna come. All right, make sure that turn this off. Make sure that the traction is off, so this button is pressed twice. I already did that already, okay? All right, now right, this spot is a little too rushed. So what we're gonna do is, this car has power. All you gotta do is just turn the wheel and gun the gas, okay? So put it down in drive, hold the brake like normal, then put it in 1. Tap it over, now it's in 1. Roll forward to the middle. Okay, she can't see, so she gotta adjust the seat. I see there's a car coming, so I don't know what they're gonna do.
Where?
No, they could be going the other way too. All right. Now turn, get away from the glass right here. All right, stay right here. Stop. All right, turn the wheel all the way. All right, don't hold it though. But not too tight because you don't want you to mess up the steering. So, all right, this car has power. So with this car, all you gotta do is gun the gas. And then once you gun the gas, get off of it and then pat the gas, okay? So whenever you're ready, you do it.
But don't hit brakes.
Don't hit brakes. Okay. It's on you. Ready?
So just press it as hard as possible?
As hard as possible, and then get off of it and then tap it. Okay. You pressing it hard so it can, yeah, like yeah. You pressing it really hard so it can get into the slide. Once it starts sliding, you can play with it. So gun the gas. Don't hold it. Don't hold it. Don't hold the gas. All right, stop. Hit the brakes. I'm telling you, hold the steering wheel one way, you kind of steering.
I'm advanced. I personally feel like I did better. That's just me though, so I ain't gonna be a hater or nothing. I just feel like I did better, but okay.
Hey, this student don't listen. This student, get your ass out of my car. This student don't listen. Get out, you about to crash my shit.
No, I wasn't. I think I did pretty good.
You did good, but you kind of steering for no damn reason. What the hell? Get out. All right, so she did it. Well, she didn't crash the car, but I'm seeing her trying to whip the, I don't know if y'all seen the steering wheel. She's turning the wheel like this.
I was doing my own thing.
Right? And then she's still gunning the gas. I'm telling her, don't gun the gas. So she did good. Hey. All right. So these are my students. We're gonna get some advanced testing so we can be able to hit this corner. She out here gunning the gas and counter steering. Who the hell told her to do that? Back my goddamn seat up. Get my shit all the way to the front. Alright. You see her kind of steering pain?
I ain't know what's going on. I just know she turned. I don't know.
Yeah. She was doing too much. Alright, so we done for the day. I thought I was done with her for with the tire. Oh shit, the tire. I gotta fix the tire. I gotta hurry up. All this tools and shit in here. Trunk ugly. Look, it happened again. Oh, these tires out of there, boy. These tires gone. And they hot. They feel like they melted. Shit. Y'all see that? But y'all, so that's out of there. These tires are trash. So yeah, it's this ground hard as shit. It grips so much that it tear the tires up. And this one over here just taking pictures. All right, we done, man. Hey, mi gente, I appreciate y'all for following the video. Y'all like, subscribe, or don't. It's up to y'all, you know, ain't no pressure. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all. It's all love.
You gotta force them.
Huh? You said force them?
Yeah.
She said force it. Hey,
better.
Y'all better. Hey, y'all motherfuckers. Hey, you know what I'm saying, like that. All right, so I appreciate y'all. Y'all like, subscribe. Y'all do your thing. You know. Next video, I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do, but I want to teach them how to actually drift. This right here was something simple, and they she aced it. My wife, she wasn't listening. She don't follow instructions, but she didn't crash the car. So I'm gonna say she got what y'all say? She got a B? She got a C, cause why she didn't listen? Right.
But then I guess she's trying to move ahead, so she got a B. Really.
Talking about she's advanced and all that shit. So.
Mommy's talking.
Yeah. So you thought you was advanced?
You're not.